welcome to Varshini Vlog. Today we are going to see about how to prepare ghee from butter. For that you have to take a heavy bottomed vessel or kadai. I have taken a kadai. You need to clean it and keep it very dry, and then I am adding on half kg of unsalted butter of any brand. You can use any brand bought from the market. I am using unsalted butter half kg. I am going to uh, yeah, I'm just keeping it inside the kadai. It's in high flame. Let it melt. After few seconds you need to keep it in a very low flame. It will be very useful for the bachelors, for newly married couple, those who have started cooking, the beginner people of cooking. So the cost of ghee is too much in markets nowadays, and you can buy butter is a little cheap compared to ghee. So you can buy butter from the market, and you can prepare ghee in the same process as I am doing in this video. I hope this will be useful for all the beginners in cooking, and for bachelors, and for newly married couple people, and for the girls who are going to get married, so they can just try this recipe from my video. See how it melts, it's beautiful. This is just a very easy process. You can do some other kitchen work, and you can just do it side by side. Now you can keep the flame in a very low, keep the flame very low. I'm going keep it in a very simmer position, so that the butter won't get stick to with the kadai. And you need to take a spatula so that you can stir it upside down. See, almost all the, this is half kg of butter I have taken. Any brand you can take. Now only a small piece of butter is still remaining to get melted. See, it's beautiful. This one I will love it doing. Whenever I buy monthly, once I will buy half kg, no? That time when I buy the provisional items, first thing what I do is I will do this one from butter to ghee preparation. So I just wanted to upload this video. I would love to do this work. It will be a matter of 12 to 15 minutes, that's all. And you can take a spatula which is comfortable for you, and you need to stir like this in between. Every 2 minutes you need to see only a small piece of butter is still remaining to get melted. First you can keep it in high flame, then you need to simmer it. You need to keep it in a very low flame. See, you can stir in between. Every 2 minutes you need to come in, so no need to put a lid over the kadai. So for every 2 to 3 minutes you need to come in between and check, so that it won't get sticked with the kadai, then it will get burnt. The correct level when you should turn off, when you will get that butter ghee from butter in a proper manner. You can check in between while doing some other kitchen work. You can do it side by side, that's all. In metal shops you will get a separate vessel for this one, for butter preparation, ghee preparation from butter. You will I don't know what is the name of that vessel. You will get it in stainless steel. You can just check in shops. Any steel vessel shops, you can check it. In market, in all the places, you will get no problem. You can better use it. So it's half kg. So you need to take a bigger one. Otherwise, it will come and spill out. The bubbles will come and spill out of the kadai. So I have taken a bigger kadai. So like that, in whatever vessel you are doing, you need to take a bigger one so that it won't, even though we are keeping the flame in very low position, you need to keep a vessel which is a little bit height is more. Like that, you need to take that kind of vessel. In between, you need to come and check it out like this, and you need to stir so that it won't get stick to the pan. And you need to do like this on all the sides so that it will come together. See, the bubbles are coming, and you will get a very nice, pleasant aroma. It's beautiful. So that I wanted to upload this video. It will be very useful for all the beginners and all the people those who have started cooking. You can buy butter from market and you can do it in your own to prepare ghee. If you keep it in a ready manner, that ghee, you can use it for all the recipes what you're doing, like chapati, when you are roasting chapati, or bread for while toasting bread, for for all the items, where for when you are eating rice, you will pour upon it. For any recipe you want, you can add ghee. It is very good for health if you make it as ghee and eat. Only butter, if you take it in a direct way thickly, it will give cholesterol. Ghee, if you eat, no problem. Anything, if you eat, anything, if you eat, um, you should not eat too much. That's what I mean to say. If you take 2 tablespoons like that per day, no problem. If you eat too much, then only you will get cholesterol and all. Ghee, you can take 2 to 3 tablespoons every day, no problem. If you eat as butter, then only you will get cholesterol. See, see, it has turned brownish color. This is the correct level to switch off the flame. Now the ghee is ready. Now we have got the ghee prepared from the butter. Now we can transfer it into a copper bottom vessel right now. But if you have got a plastic vessel or any other vessel, you can transfer. You can transfer after the heat subsides. Don't transfer it immediately. These are the leftover particles after the ghee preparation. It can be, it is called as dregs, dregs in English, and it can be used with rice, and it can be mixed with chapati and any other recipe, and you can enjoy it. No need to waste it. See, this is called as dreg, as I have what I am showing in my video, and this is the pure ghee what we have got after. Just all the people, those who are beginners, bachelors, and young ladies, you just try this recipe. And if you like this, just like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.